Hey you guys, what's goody, what it do? It's your girl Abi-Sue and I'm back with another video. So today I'm gonna be doing an unboxing and review of my Pool Blue TELFAR, and yeah, so let's get into it. Before I start, I want to say if you're new to my channel, make sure you subscribe, and if you're not new, welcome back. So I've been doing a new series. Gonna be doing a lot of bag unboxings and bag reviews. So this is the second bag unboxing and review that's on my channel. So if you guys want to see more, make sure you guys subscribe and stay tuned. So this is my first TELFAR bag. I got it in a size medium. It came literally the next day. It came literally the next day. I didn't purchase this bag. My best friend got me this bag. Shout out to you, Marvin. Yeah, so he ordered it. It dropped on Monday and it came on Tuesday. So great shipping. And yeah, it came in a big brown box, but that's, you know, besides the point. So when you get it, it comes in this plastic bag with their logo on it. And here's the plastic bag. And then it has comes with the dust bag with their logo, of course. And then inside, so stinking cute. Literally, I love the quality. I wish my wool wasn't blue right now so y'all could like see the color, like but yeah, this is so stinking cute. The quality is great. Like, this feels like a very durable bag, and they're not like priced at a super high price. I said priced. They're not priced at a super high price, so that is great. So I'm just gonna take this off. Okay, so this is the handle, then it has this handle, a small one and a long one. Let's go and look inside and see how the compartments are made up. So we have the tag right here. Inside we have another tag. This is a really great bag. Like, this is a really great bag. So it only has one pocket. It has one pocket. And it's not small. Like, you could actually fit, like, you see my whole hand is basically in there. So that's good. I didn't really think it was gonna have compartments. I thought it was just gonna be a big tote and that was it. But wow, I love this bag. This is my first one from this brand. The only thing about this brand is I feel like the sizing of the bags are kind of weird, because the small is like very, very small, and then the medium goes like to this. And oh, I do have a large bag from them, a large chocolate one. It just did not come yet. I ordered it with the Secure Your Bag program, so it's not gonna ship for like another 2 months. So I'm probably not gonna get it till like July through September. That's what they said. So but yeah, like I was saying, the sizing to me is really weird because it goes from small to this big, and then this is considered a medium, and then a huge one that's considered a large. So I think they need like sub sizes, but that's probably just me. But I really love this bag. So I think this is a great everyday bag. It's gonna fit everything that you need it to fit. The medium is a perfect size. You know, if you don't want something too small, too big, this is a perfect size, and it'll fit literally anything you need it to. So yeah, if you're on the fence about what size to get, I definitely recommend you get a medium because it's like perfect. The medium bag retails for $220, I believe. So like I said, very inexpensive, a good price for great quality. Overall, I'm in love with the bag. I'm in love with the color. I'm in love with the quality. I'm in love with the size. I think it's a great bag, and I want to show you guys where it stops on me. Like if I was to wear it like this, the shoulder way, you could hold it too, but I'm gonna see how I can do that for you guys. But yeah, overall, I really do like this bag. I mean, I can fit just about anything I need to in there, and I am going to the airport tomorrow, so I think I'm going to use this to put all my things in. This is such a great bag. Okay, so I won't be able to show you guys a video of like where the bag stops on me, but I just like went and checked it out, you know. And me being a 5'2" girl, it was kind of a little long for me. It stopped about right by my knee. And I mean, I just personally, I don't like when bags are like that long and are like draping down on me because I'm small. So I usually like adjustable bags, but this is still fine, still a great bag, still recommend. Yeah, that's all. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe. Any questions you have, I will be happy to answer them. I'm new to the whole purse collection and unboxing purses and stuff like that, so a lot of times I really don't know what I'm supposed to say, but I think I covered it. It's a great bag, a great price, great quality. The shipping was fast. Yeah. Any questions that you guys have, make sure you guys comment down below and I'll be happy to answer them. So thank you guys so much for watching. Make sure you guys like, comment, share, and subscribe, and I'll see you next time.